Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I just realized this mat's getting pretty grubby. I think I just need to get something new. Other than that, QiYi sent me a couple things. So let's first unbox the clock, because we know what a clock is. And well, hopefully we do. If we don't, this is what a clock is. And we have these pins, and QiYi makes arguably the best clock out there. Don't know if, because I know Shangshou made a magnetic one, but I would say if you go to see the a competition, most people will be using QiYi, and they just come in different colors now. Here is the pink one. I don't quite remember how this is done. I think it was like I line that up, and then I line that up, and then I line this up, and then I line this up, and then I flip it over. Not like that. There we go. And then I think that should have been, I don't remember exactly what to do. I'll have to go back to it. But instead of me figuring out how to do clock live on camera, which I did do a live stream for like an hour, and I was like, how fast can I get with just 1 hour? And I feel like I went from not solving it, I don't remember what the time was, but it was better than, I could basically do a competition and make cutoff within 1 hour. So I'll have to go back and do that, because clock can be kind of fun. It's just so different. But here's the other thing. QiYi has a new Pyraminx, the QiYi M Pro. Are these different or the same? Flagship and Pioneer. Pioneer is UV coated. I don't know of anything else other than that. Let me get the plastic off before I keep talking. So let's take these out. The Flagship has matte plastic. I can hear some spring noise. Very strong magnets. Tips are a little bit slower than the rest of it. What's this like? Feels lighter. I don't hear any spring noise. Is it maglev? It is. Okay. So it is maglev. We have a tension adjustment that you can do with your hand, so you can actually change the tension of this, so the spring compression or maglev compression, with screws there too. And this is held in. Is this held in through magnets too, or is that just the alignment? That's just the alignment. This does have compression as well. Sorry for the lack of focus on the camera. I'm using my phone in a different way, and the focus is kind of weird. But already, Pioneer 10 times better in my opinion as far as how good this puzzle is. I would definitely recommend the Pioneer version. Flagship is, I'm not, the springs are usually fine, but the spring noise is a bit much already. You could use some lubrication to fix it, but out of the box, if you don't want to do anything, Pioneer plus UV coated, I prefer that glossy coating. It's been a while since I've solved Pyraminx, but I think I'll be able to figure that one out. The first thing I like to do, I'll just do the tips right now just for simplicity's sake, is I do top down. I do keyhole method. So basically what keyhole method will be is finishing up solving the top layer. Well, I get yellow on bottom, and then I'll do, there we go, looking over the camera. And then, actually, no, I did this backwards. So ignore the first thing I did, because I did it out of order. Then I'll fix it in just a moment. But I do that first layer, and then we've got this, which I think was just, me dropping the puzzle. Yeah, there we go. Let's do that again. I'll try to stay in frame as well. But keyhole method turns into, I think it's called one flip. If I continued Pyraminx, I think that's where I'd go. I think that's what Drew Brads used to do. Is he still cubing? Is he still doing stuff? I should look it up real quick. I'm going to look this up. Let's see here. Did stuff in 2025. just recently. So 2019 and then 2025, top 51st, 57th in North America, top 50 for average in North America. Okay, so anyways, I don't know if Drewbrad still does one flip. If you know, let me know. And then, yeah, okay. Anyways, now again, I'm just going to do tips first because I don't really have a set plan when to do them. Then I will solve these two pieces, so something like that with my amazing finger tricks. Then I need to get yellow on bottom because that's the only color that's not on top. Whoop, wait, how did I mess that up? Hold on. Oh, I think I just did that wrong. Okay, anyways, now we're back, and now I can solve this final piece, which I don't even have to look at the bottom. I could tell where that was. And then this is where it'd be good if I could just identify it from here, but I can't. And I think, was that this? That was. There we go. Okay, so real quick, the QiYi M Pro, that whole model are cubes that are pretty good, but probably won't be the first choice for like top tier puzzle. With that said, this is not going to hold you back. Unless you're solving 5 seconds below on average, this will get you wherever you want. Could this be a world record puzzle as well? Possibly. With my Pyraminx knowledge, honestly, I like the way it moves. It's not as flimsy or light as some other puzzles, but it's fast and it's fairly stable. It's a good mix of it. I feel like Pyraminxes are either too tight and sluggish or they're just wild, and this is that good in between. It reminds me a bit of the X-Man one, whatever it was called. But anyways, QiYi, thank you for sending these over. I'll have a link in the description if these are available yet. So I could put a link to SpeedCube Shop and you can pick them up. If I should get back into it, let me know what I should do with it, if there's a new method or something else. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe for content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.